Now, inside of our pump is a supercharge pump. And it's a small gear pump, simple open loop pump. But what it does is feed the backside of the loop. So your hydraulic pumps and motors were designed by the factory to run one pump, one motor. They have internal leakage built in so that they can lubricate their own bearings with hydraulic fluid. The same on the motor side. So this leakage is made up by the charge pump. Well, if it were one pump, one motor, single charge pump would be enough. But we've got one pump and 17 motors. So we have to have a supercharge pump to make up the leakage that's happening inside of these motors. Then we also use that same supercharged flow for cooling the system. And I'll get into cooling when we get to the heat exchangers.
Inside of our Danfoss pump there is a small charge pump, as Mel explained earlier. It is a small gear pump which makes up for internal leakage in the pumps and motors. Since charge pump is designed to work in a closed loop with a single motor, we'll encounter a problem if we install multiple motors into the loop. Our system has 17 motors installed, so a single charge pump can't replenish all that case drain. Motors are leaking more oil than the charge pump can supply. That is why this additional supercharge pump is fitted. It feeds additional oil from the tank to the low pressure side of the loop. This training and other videos on this channel are produced to educate the crew and all involved personnel. Feel free to use them in your training sessions.